Hey guys, JTECH here, and EPOMAKER recently released another 65% or 66 keys mechanical keyboard that looks very premium and appealing. Let's find out how good this keyboard is. Before we go ahead, I would like to thank EPOMAKER for sending this keyboard for me to review. Please go check their website out, and the buy links of this keyboard is in the description or in the comment section. Alright, so the MS68 is a 66 key layout with the 0.85-inch small TFT screen where you can view all the essential info like the time, date, battery status, etc. And you can place up to 2 image file or GIF file using their software called Image Custom Tool. It's made up of a full CNC aluminum case with an anodized finish. The design is very minimalistic with a fixed typing angle of 6 degrees, and this keyboard weighs around 1.45 kilograms. It's heavy. Also, you can find the switch toggles right here. This one is the connection toggle for the 2.4 wired and Bluetooth, and this one is for the Mac and Windows toggle. Keyboard shortcuts are in the manual, so be sure to read it before using this keyboard. Inside the box, we'll get a nice braided Type-C cable, 2-in-1 pullers, hex or Allen tool for opening the case, extra switches, the manual, and the USB 2.4 receiver. This keyboard is a tri-mode, meaning you can wirelessly connect via Bluetooth and the 2.4. The battery size or capacity is 3000 milliamps. Charging time for this keyboard is around 90 minutes to 2 hours, but if you have a fast charger, then it will shorten up the charging time. Also, you can fully customize this keyboard because it's a VIA or QMK compatible. Just download the JSON file, link in the description, and just load it up. There are 4 colors to choose from. Obviously, this is the green color. Also, there are 3 different choices of switches, and I got the Wisteria Linear, which is already factory lube and quite smooth. The keycaps is a cherry profile dice of PBT material, and I find the texture a bit slippery, so take note of that. Nonetheless, here's how it sounds right out of the box. Opening this keyboard is very easy. You just need to use the tool provided just in case you don't have a tool. By the way, there are only 5 screws in total, so yes, it's super easy. Here we can see that it's a sandwich foam gasket mount, and it's using a nice flexible PC plate. The PCB's thickness is 1.2 millimeters. It's a south-facing LEDs for better light projection, and the stabilizers are plate mounted, and based on the stock typing sound test, it's well tuned right outside the box. To me, I find it hollow and deep, even with all those layers of sound dampening foams. Well, that's because of the way this keyboard was designed. It's a bit chunky, to be honest, so you might want to look for a specific switch with a high-pitch sound profile to balance out the deep hollow sound of this keyboard. Also, I would like to recommend doing a force break mod to eliminate case pinging if there is, and a 2 or 3 layers of tape mod to enhance the poppy sound effect if you want that. Honestly, to me, this keyboard is a very practical 65% layout available in the market. It's perfect for those who travels a lot or moves a lot because this keyboard is very easy to carry, though it's not very lightweight, but rest assured it's very sturdy and durable. The wireless features and the small screen is very convenient, though I just wish they did more, like they placed the screen here and added a small knob right here. I think it will make this keyboard much more appealing and interesting. EPOMAKER, please take note of that. Overall, for the price of just $99, you now have a premium looking compact keyboard that you can use for work and play scenarios, and this keyboard will surely add beauty to your desk or workplace. It's a certified head turner, so be careful. Someone might steal it from your office. Be sure to hide it and keep it after use. Okay, I think that's just about it. Don't forget, the buy links are in the description if you like to get one for yourself. This is JTECH signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.